was amazing. You looked like fantastic dragons. Now that you've had a practice, let's try it all the way through with no stopping. Are you ready? Find your space. Here we go. The Chinese dragon dances in the street, the Chinese dragon dances, dances in the street. The Chinese dragon breathes fire in the street, the Chinese dragon breathes fire in the street. The Chinese dragon whips its tail, the Chinese dragon whips its tail. The Chinese dragon flaps its wings, the Chinese dragon flaps its wings. The Chinese dragon roars in the street, the Chinese dragon roars in the street. The Chinese dragon tiptoes in the street, the Chinese dragon tiptoes in the street.
Well done, everybody.
That was fantastic!